Today, I'll show you how to install and use the Humanizer skill in Claude AI so your AI written text sounds much more natural, conversational, and human. Open your web browser and search for GitHub Claude AI Humanizer. Open this website. It's a public GitHub project designed to help make AI-generated text sound more natural and human. You'll find setup instructions on the repository page if you'd like to read through them. Next, click the green code button and choose Download Zip. Save the file to your computer. After the download is complete, keep the file in its original zip format. There's no need to extract or unzip the contents because Claude can import the zip file directly. Now, open Claude AI and sign into your account if you haven't already. From the Claude dashboard, go to the Customize section and select Skills. Depending on the version of Claude you're using, you'll see either Create Skill or Add Skill. Click that option to continue. You'll now have the option to upload a skill package. Select the zip file you downloaded earlier and upload it to Claude. The upload may take a few moments, depending on the file size and your internet connection. Once it's finished, you'll see the Humanizer skill listed among your available skills, confirming that the installation was successful. Next, start a brand new conversation in Claude. Before you begin, make sure the Humanizer skill is enabled for that chat. This allows Claude to use the skill whenever you ask it to rewrite or improve text. Now it's time to test it. Click on the plus icon. From here, choose Skills. Now select Humanizer. I will enter prompt. Humanize this text. Copy any AI-generated content you want to improve and paste it into the chat. This could be a blog article, an email, a product review, a YouTube script, a social media post, or any other type of text. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate a revised version that sounds more fluent, natural, and conversational. The rewritten text typically has better sentence flow, improved readability, and fewer phrases that make AI-generated content easy to recognize. Although the Humanizer skill does an excellent job, it's always a good idea to review the final output before publishing. You can make small edits to match your preferred writing style, adjust the tone for your audience, or add any personal touches that make the content uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.